Welcome to Magical Beauty! Hello, my dearest Bow Bunch! It's your girl, Ty, your guide to all things beautiful, artsy, adventurous, life, and a little bit of everything under the sun. I'm back with another video. So I will be showing you how I color my hair, how I dye my hair, just like this. As you can see, my hair is now color purple, just like Olivia Rodrigo's. And BTS. If you've watched my previous video of my makeup beauty series, the viral Latina makeup look, you will notice that my hair back then is color pink, but now it's color purple. So this video will be a guide on how to achieve this hair color. Let's dive right into today's magical hair coloring sesh together. Let's go!
Do you have a pain in your guts? Do you regularly suffer from the agony of spilling your guts to complete strangers you barely met? Do you experience issues trusting your gut in matters of love and work? Do you ever hate your own guts? Well, then here's the product for you. Guts by Olivia Rodrigo, the state-of-the-art new product that takes all your jumbled up emotions and jumbles them up even further. Call today for a free consultation.
As you can see, my hair color is looking pretty patchy right now. And if Brad Mondo sees this, won't approve. I originally dyed it bright red using Cello Wax, a semi-permanent hair dye last month, January 2025, but over time as I washed it, the color faded. It turned into a mix of dark and light pink. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I actually love pink. And I think I'm rocking this hair color, But I'm ready for something new. And this time, I'm going for a bold purple look. That is permanent because I will be using Hair Fix hair color cream and I can't wait to see how it turns out. Make sure to wear gloves on your hands because bleach is very strong and can cause irritation or damage to your skin. I'll be using a hair treatment technique called bleach bath, which it removes hair colors by gently lightening it. In a mixing bowl, combine bleach powder with volume developer. Then add an equal amount of shampoo to dilute the mixture, making it gentler than a standard bleaching application. Then stir everything together until you achieve a smooth and runny consistency. I'll be dividing my hair into sections using any rubber bands or clips to make the application easier. I am applying the bleach bath mixture evenly using my brush and hands, while focusing on the dark areas or the sections with the most color buildup.
Told secrets I shouldn't tell. Stumbled over all my words. Made it weird and made it worse each day that I'm alive. It's so soon. Social suicide.
Allow the bleach bath to process for 15 to 30 minutes. I check my hair every now and then, 5 to 10 minutes, to monitor the lift. If your hair starts feeling dry or brittle, rinse it immediately to prevent any damage because you don't want it to be damaged just like a noodle. And we don't want that, okay? Once you have reached your desired level of lightness, you can rinse your hair with lukewarm water to remove the bleach bath. And I encourage you to apply a conditioner or any hair mask to restore the moisture and softness of your hair. Moving forward on dyeing my hair using a permanent hair color box dye. I will be using the Hair Fix Permanent Hair Color Cream Kit in the color of 1.76 purple. Carefully follow the instructions provided in the box dye kit that you prefer.
And I consoled you while you cried over your ex-girlfriend's new guy. My God, how could I be so stupid?
Typically, you will mix the color cream with the developer in the applicator bottle provided. Then mix it well until you achieve a smooth consistency. Like this. I'll be dividing my hair again in 2 sections using any rubber bands or clips to make the application easier. Make sure your hair is fully dry before proceeding with the dyeing process. Start applying the dye from the roots to the ends, working in small sections to ensure even coverage from your front to back. Allow the dye to process by setting a timer for the recommended time in the instructions. Usually, it takes 30 minutes. Once the processing time is up, rinse your hair with cool water until the water runs clear. Then use Life Strong Hair Fix Cara Gold hair treatment or any conditioner to keep your hair soft and silky. This is how it turned out, my Bow Bunch. So, what do you think? Does it suit me? Because I love it so much. I think this is the third hair color that best suits me and my skin tone. Alright, my sweetest Bow Bunch, that's it for today. Stay lovely, stay inspired, stay magical, and keep shining. Always remember that together we are tied and forever we thrive. Until next time, bye for now!